Xinrongxing Leather Co. has been a leading supplier of synthetic leather since 1996, with a global reputation for quality and innovation. Based in Shilin Town, Guangzhou, we are situated in the heart of China's renowned leather center. Just a short 20-minute drive from Guangzhou Airport, we specialize in a wide range of PVC, PU, and microfiber products, which are widely used in various industries, including handbags, suitcases, footwear, car seats, furniture, packaging, clothing, home decoration, and more. We are committed to producing high-quality and cost-effective synthetic leather products that are not only stylish and durable but also environmentally friendly and safe for animals. Our synthetic leather materials comply with international environmental standards tests such as REACH, CA65, and ROCH, etc. Our warehouse has sufficient area, more than 5,000 square meters, to accommodate adequate wholesaling goods in stock that facilitate goods delivery to customers within a short time. Meanwhile, we offer one-stop service to our clients, including goods inspection, packaging, transportation booking, customs clearance, after-sales service, etc., ensuring that they have no worries when ordering from us. Thanks to our high-quality products and excellent services, we have gained wide recognition from customers around the world and established long-term business relationships with our customers. Our company prides itself on its customer-centric approach. We believe in building strong and lasting relationships with our clients, which is why we actively listen to their needs and preferences. We work closely with each customer to provide tailored solutions, ensuring they find the perfect synthetic leather product for their specific requirements. Our manufacturing facility is equipped with multiple standardized production lines and staffed by hundreds of skilled technicians. The facility spans over an area of 30,000 square meters. We are proud of our heritage and our commitment to excellence by developing eco-friendly and cost-effective products and maintaining strict quality control measures in place to ensure that every product meets the required standards and delivery at that given time frame. We believe that our dedication to quality is what sets us apart from the rest. At our manufacturing facility, we take immense pride in the meticulous processes we follow to ensure top-notch products that meet the diverse needs of our valued clients. In conclusion, as a leading manufacturer and supplier of synthetic leather, our commitment to top-notch quality, innovative processes, and exceptional customer service sets us apart from the competition. We invite potential clients to inquire about our products, and we are eager to collaborate on projects that demand high-performance synthetic leather solutions. Thank you for considering our brand, and we look forward to serving you with our premium synthetic leather products.